In this tutorial, you will see that how you can download GTA Vice City in laptop or PC. First, open Google and search for GTA Vice City Rockstar. After searching for it, you'll find this official website. Click on it and click on Buy. Why buy when you can download for free? Well, in my case, I got virus on my PC, so I recommend you to download from their official website. Anyways, one more thing that GTA Vice City has been officially discontinued. The only option is to download the definitive edition, and you might see a difference in pricing depending on the time of purchasing. Currently, it's only for $18 on Steam. One more thing to keep in mind, that definitive edition is more realistic than the original versions. You will get 2 more games including Grand Theft Auto 3 and San Andreas. I recommend Steam as it's more useful, especially when you can play other games. After that, simply complete the purchase process and download in your desired folder. So that's how you can download GTA Vice City in laptop or PC.